Cox et Chad Jones sont tous deux de nouveaux joueurs au sein de l'Organisation des Capitales de Québec et nous sommes allés leur demander jusqu'à maintenant comment ils trouvaient leur séjour à Québec.
Oh, I love it. The team's great family team aspect. The city is beautiful. Everyone really wants to win here, and a winning team in the past, so it's been great.
It's great. I'm trying to take everything in, learn from the guys, and enjoy every moment. I'm loving it.
Arrivant du niveau collégial, nous leur avons demandé quelle était la plus grosse différence entre ce niveau et celui du baseball professionnel.
Massive difference. I think everyone the game's a lot different. Everyone is actually very good. Where in college it seems like there's a few guys that there can be a scrappy type player, not necessarily be a great ball player and get by. But here, as being a pitcher, you can't really make many mistakes anymore.
Different philosophies too?
Yeah, different philosophy. A lot more trust. I think the coaches trust us to know what to do, and knowing that we have that trust helps us do our job more.
A lot of great talent around here. You can't get away with missing your spots. You gotta attack hitters early on, and you can't get behind in counts. Otherwise, you're gonna pay. But it's great. I'm loving it.
C'est toujours intéressant de savoir s'ils profitent de l'expérience que les vétérans des Capitales de Québec peuvent leur apporter.
I do. I try to ask them questions all the time and learn from them. They've been around for a long time, and they know what it takes to succeed, and they've been around for a while, so I'm trying to take everything they had to heart.
Absolutely. I love, and I wonder if they're annoyed with me or not yet, but I pick their brain all the time. I love learning about the game, where they've been. It teaches me, I feel like I've learned a lot about baseball that I didn't know I needed to learn more about.
Do you see a difference of you before the seasons and now?
Very much so. Yeah, we've made some big changes to how I pitch, but also my attitude and confidence is improving, and now I get on the mound and I really get excited, learning from all the guys, and it's making some big changes.
En terminant, nous avons voulu savoir ce qu'ils pensaient pouvoir apporter à l'équipe et s'ils étaient satisfaits de leur saison jusqu'à maintenant.
I bring a lot of, I really want to win, and I really want to learn how to win, and I think that hopefully that's refreshing for some guys, and I think I bring a good late inning arm to the team. I'm really happy with how things are going. There's always room for improvement, but so far I'm really pleased.
Bring a lot of fun. I have a good time. I try to make guys laugh, and I'm a relief pitcher, so I try to come in and do my part every time and keep us in games. But other than that, like I said, I try to have a lot of fun with it and get along with everybody and keep spirits high. I had the first inning jitters and got that out of the way, and ever since then I kind of calmed down and I'm trusting my stuff a lot more, and I'm getting outs. I'm getting a lot of contact and feel pretty good about it.
Il ne nous reste plus qu'à leur souhaiter bonne chance pour le reste de la saison et aussi peut-être à l'année prochaine. La saison dernière, il a été une véritable révélation à l'arrêt-court et c'est pourquoi il est de retour cette année. Voici le profil de Jeff Helps.
I am from Wyoming, Ontario, a small village. I have one brother, an older brother, and I have one sister who is also older as well. I have three little two nephews and one niece. Yeah, my brother's 33, so he's got a few kids now. Most of my family does play baseball. They grew up playing baseball. My father and my cousins, my uncles, everybody kind of played baseball and hockey as we grew up. Those were our two sports. In the winter, we play hockey, and in the summer, we play baseball. I started playing baseball when I was probably about 5. Same with hockey. As soon as 5 or 6 came around, we started jumping into the summer sports and the winter sports. So I was probably 5 years old when I started playing baseball. I played in Kalamazoo for a year, and I started my baseball career professionally in Kansas City with the Kansas City T-Bones. They're now in the American Association League. My first year was amazing. My second year was so-so. It was tough year, but since I've been to Quebec, it's been amazing. It's a little bit different. The atmosphere, the crowds, everything's a little bit more like right on you kind of thing. Like in Quebec City, it's really unique. You got your own different media because of the language and everything, so it's very special. It feels like, you know, like we're in the NHL or we're in the big leagues because it's so centered around baseball here in Quebec, so it's very, very good. In Quebec, the organization, the fans are unbelievable. They're Kansas City, you know, they come during the regular season and then the playoffs are gone. In Quebec, they support us throughout the year and in the playoffs especially. It's amazing. The smells, the sounds are pretty special about baseball. Just the game itself, just because it's a really thinking man's game and it's a really challenging game, but you know, you're standing around for a few minutes and then you're asked to go at 100%. It's very, I don't know how to say, I just enjoy it a lot. I do have a few rituals before the game. I like to clean my shoes at a certain time, or I like to come out to the field at a certain time, and I like to put my socks and stuff on a certain way, just every day, kind of more of a routine than ritual kind of thing. Just, you know, scrappy, tough out, I would like to say. Just try to get on base, and especially at the top of the order, try to get on base for our big guys to hit you in, and then I just want to make my plays on defense and help out our pitching staff as any way I can. I knew a little bit about Quebec because I knew a player that was here the year before. That's how we kind of connected. And he just told me about how special it is here, and it would be a lot of fun if you got an opportunity to play here. It's coming along, un petit peu, but it's very tough. You know, we took it in public school and that growing up, but you never think you're going to use it. But now I'm trying, you know, on the off days and stuff like that, try to mix it in every once in a while, talk to a few of the guys, and really try to work it a little bit. It's tough though. I've been down in Quebec City quite a bit. When my family has come, we went down into Old Quebec and walked around through the shops and that, and had some crepes and some of the small things of Quebec City. It's pretty amazing, especially from our small town, you know, farmland, to come into a big city with all the history and everything here. They're really open-eyed. It's a lot of fun.